Print photos with the HP app for the HP Envy Photo 7200 and 7900 all-in-one printer series. Step 1. Load photo paper. Open the main tray. For printing on panoramic photo paper, load the paper face down in the main tray. Pull out the photo tray. Slide the paper width guides to the edges of the photo tray. Insert the photo paper, face down, in portrait orientation into the tray. Make sure the stack of photos is aligned with the appropriate paper size lines on the front of the tray. Adjust the paper width guides until they touch the edges of the stack of paper. Close the main tray. Pull out the output tray extension. Step 2. Print with the HP app. If you don't have the HP app, you can get it for free from your app store. From the app home screen, select your printer and then select Print Photos. Choose the photo you want to print and select Next. Adjust the orientation, paper type, and size based on your preferences and the type of photo paper you are printing. Select the paper tray you are printing from as well. Use the layout option if you want to fit, fill, border, crop, rotate, or flip the photo. Use the Adjust option to edit exposure, contrast, saturation, warmth, clarity, and more. Use the Text option to add text to the photo. When you're done editing, select Next. Adjust any print settings based on your preferences and then select Print. The photo then prints. You can reprint or share the photo if you want. When you're finished, select Done.